All about no. Oh, the sun is beautiful.
That's enough. Okay?
The one in my shoe.
Yay!
You want to try? Want to try?
Okay. That's enough.
She's because she picked up herself, that's why. Mmm, fresh figs. Ooh. That's very high quality protein.
Okay.
Okay, start stomping. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Stomp. You gotta step on him, Lola. Stomp on him.
Stop on it. Stand by it.
Dad.
Gotta
Okay.
stomp. Look, you squish it. Squish it.
Oh, wow, squish the grapes. Squish the grapes with your feet, Lola. Go with your feet. Nice and warm. Lola, like this. Pop, 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 pop.
You want Dada to do it? I'll do it.
Yeah. What's your shoe?
Yeah, Lola, come on.
What's your shoe? What's your feet? That's all.
Lola, do it.
No. Go,
Oh, wow.
go, dancing.
How about you?
I can't go and my feet they're dirty.
Oh, you do fine. See, I wash my feet in the hot water first, right? I was washed already. Come on, let's go now. Come on.
Wow, she paralyzed.
Well, she's 3 years old. Maybe she's ready.
I know, but she is excited.
Why don't you go squish some grapes? Squish grapes.
You want to put them all?
You go, everything.